everyone and welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to install this motorcycle communication system, the Sena 10S, to these two helmets. I'm going to unpack this and show you how it's done. It's very nice packed, as you can see. This is the dual system. There are several reasons why we chose this communication system from Sena. It is very easy in use. It has Bluetooth, which you can connect to your mobile phone, your GPS, your MP3 player for music. It also has noise reduction. It has a built-in radio. It is a 4-way intercom, so you can connect with 4 persons, which is enough for us. And it has a range of 1600 meters on flat terrain. It also has a 2-year guarantee, which is pretty nice. So let's build it into the helmet. My helmet is a Scorpion Exotech. Let's take out the padding first. They have added a hex key with which you can loosen the clamp. Now it has more space, so you can position it on your helmet. Position the clamp where it has free space and where it's easy to operate. Don't tighten it yet. As you can see, the clamp has 3 wires. The red one for the microphone and the 2 black ones are for the speakers. Attach the right wires. Now take these Velcro stickers and put them into place where you like the speakers to be, and the small Velcro sticker for the microphone. Now you can put the speakers and the microphone on the Velcro stickers. I have a special gap for that, as you can see. When you think the speakers are too far away from your ears, you have these special spacers to put in between. And then it will be perfect. But I don't need them, so I'm going to put it like this. And the microphone goes over here. Now make sure that you hide all the wires inside the spaces you have in the helmet. Be careful because the wires are quite vulnerable. Make sure that when you wear the helmet, that they will not bother you. That's important. all the padding. And again, be very careful with the wires. When you have everything back in place, you can try to find the perfect place for your clamp and then tighten it. Put the Sena device on there and you can try if everything works. Make sure to fully load the devices with the provided cable so that you can have up to 12 hours of speaking time.